This is Jason, and today we are going to be looking at this email, the plan checks, and Sandicor, and data.com. I'm going to do a little brief overview, intro video on what these are, and yeah, let's go from there. So all these ones that you can see right now on the screen, from Solana Beach to Poway, these are all local, kind of a compilation and mix of just different plan checks and that have to do with each city in northern San Diego. So, and they're not all plan checks, but they're all kind of serve the same function, and they all provide up-to-date and current information on building, people that have applied for permits, and various information on construction and what's happening in kind of each of their little cities. So like Solana Beach is on here, Carlsbad, Encinitas. Encinitas has quite a few different ones like notices and planning commission, admin hearings. All these kind of provide the same information, just kind of through different terminals. And they're great tools to use. And I'll probably end up doing a video on how to use each of these different databases, because each of them functions and operates a little bit different than the other ones. So they can be a little confusing. But moving on to what Sandicor and Paragon is. Sandicor and Paragon, it looks like this. And it's North County, San Diego, or just San Diego County's multiple listing service. I'm not going to log in, but normally you would hit login on here. That's just what the whole website looks like, but you would just log in on here and go to Paragon, and it is the San Diego's multiple listing service. So it tells you everything. If you're familiar with the MLS, you know what kind of information that already gives you. Being able to search any property, current listings, past listings, this and that. There's also a cool function on there that we use called the CRS tax search, where you can find kind of, people's personal information and addresses and things like that to market to. So that's Sandicor. It's just the MLS. Going back to the email. Data Connect. So that's, if you were to click this link now, it would take you to this. And what Data Connect is, it's a company that Salesforce either owns or bought. And what it does is it's kind of like a huge network. You input people's information that that are either your friends or business contacts. You put them into this system, and in return you get access and like credits per se towards accessing other people's networks and who they're friends with. So what this does is, if everybody adds a couple names or contacts into this, you end up having access to a lot of people's network. And why this is important is because you can find email addresses through this. And that's a big one, because email marketing, or sending out, resumes and things like that through the email, are definitely a better way of marketing. And it's 100% direct marketing if it goes to their email. And it's a lot better than using traditional mail or cold calling, which you can still do and still work. But this website's great because it gets you a lot of their contact, and usually can get you an email. Not all the time, but it's a pretty sweet website. And yeah, so in this video we just kind of went over what these do. All these planning commissions and oceanside planning and things like that. And then we went over what Sandicor was, which is just the multiple listing service for San Diego. And then we went over Data Connect, where you can implement add, find, and exchange contact information for other people's contact information. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.